What's up mga te, mga mi, mga bi, mga baby, mga mimasor at kahit sino pa yan. Hello sa inyo. Today, we are here at Bicol University. Are you ready to get know about Bicol University? Because I am. Let's go!
Bicol University, the premier state university in the Bicol region, was founded on June 21, 1969 through the Passage of Republic Act 5521 and was institutionalized on September 22, 1969 by virtue of Resolution Number 1 of its Board of Regents. Behind the establishment of Bicol University, three expired leaders collaborated to initiate the creation of the first state university in Bicol region. Senator Demeter Aitona, Congressman Carlos R. Imperial, and Congressman Jose M. Alberto are the founding fathers who ensured the birth of Bicol University.
And that is the brief history of Bicol University.
Oy, te, what is your favorite event at BU?
Of course, the BU Olympics, the BU Hot Now.
Hi everyone, it's Marian here and today I'm taking you inside the College of Business Economics and Management. In 14 years, the institution of higher learning already made its mark, not just in Bicol, but to the entire country and the international community as well. As you can see, everyone here is driven, ambitious, and determined to make their mark on the corporate world someday. You can see a mix of students from different programs striving for success in their own way. BSBA is more than just a school. This is a place where dreams are formed and where ideas take flight. We may encounter a constant buzz of activity, a symphony of ideas being exchanged, and a palpable sense of drive. It's a pretty diverse environment, but in BSBA, we are a community where we support each other, share resources, and celebrate each other's successes.
Meet Eloisa. She's a proud BSBA management student, a member of the Junior Institute of Management, or JIM for short, and also her block's super reliable representative. Curious about what her week looks like? This week was both stressful and fun. From ACAD-related activities to org responsibilities, I can do it all. A generalist at its finest. Now, here's to more memories and challenges. Until the next adventure!
Hi, I'm Sherry, and as a management student, I set various goals for myself. May it be for personal, academic, professional, or long-term career goals. I want to achieve high academic performance. It's not just grades. Beyond that, I know I must comprehend the fundamental ideas that will help me lead teams and companies in the future. With all these goals in my mind, I know I still have a lot of work to do. But I'm here for that reason. Surely, studying here in Bicol University, particularly in the College of Business, Economics, and Management, would be a huge help for me to acquire knowledge, develop my skills, be an efficient manager, and create the career I've always desired.
Hoy, Sherry, lunch na tayo!
Hindi pa rin niligising naman pag umalis ng scenarios. Binulo!
Hoy, future manager, lunch na tayo! Sige,